Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you so much for stopping by for another episode of Low Nose. This is a place where I help content creators just like you get better at your craft through audio, video, and tech. So go ahead, hit that subscribe and bell button so you don't miss out on any other future videos. Hit that like button if you learn something new, and trust me, you will learn something new today. And also follow me on social media at Low Nose Media. Okay guys, so as content creators, you and I, we spend so much time and focus within the world of YouTube. We probably do all our marketing, all our networking within the space of YouTube, and it has only gotten us so far where we are right now. We could all use some kind of help, wouldn't you agree? And here's the situation. We are spending too much time or focus in one place when it comes to marketing ourselves. We have to find a way to expand ourselves as far as marketing and letting the world know what we are doing. Now, for those of you who are dabbling in Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, most likely we are doing it all wrong. And I say we because in the beginning I was doing it all wrong. We use these platforms as sort of like a service to just kind of let the world know, like, hey, I'm doing this, care about it. And unfortunately, nobody ever cares about it. I mean, think about it. When was the last time you were on Twitter or Facebook and someone put like, just did a podcast or just did an episode of something, we spoke about this or another, go ahead and click on this link. When was the last time you clicked on that link and it not being a friend of yours? Like, when were you like, I really don't care? You know, same thing on Facebook, same thing on YouTube. Someone would make a comment on your video and they're like, hey, nice video, watch my video. When was the last time you actually clicked on that link? We're doing it all wrong, guys. It's the idea that we think that because we did something, the world has to see it, that the world should take notice. And unfortunately, no one cares what we're doing. So this is where I bring this in. Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk, Gary V. If you haven't noticed recently, this guy has been on a roll. This book has been out for a couple of years, and Gary V is the man to go to, or the man to learn from when it comes to using social media to brand yourself. Now, all of the people out there who are like, you know, hey, pay me this amount of X or Y dollars and I will help you with your branding for your personal business or your channel, most likely they're all getting their inspiration from this gentleman right here and this book. So I have a link down below so you can pick up the book for yourself. But guys, this book will cover everything, and I mean everything you need to know as far as to properly brand your channel, brand your YouTube, or even brand your brand. If you're on Twitter, if you're on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, this book will tell you and show you exactly how to do maximize these platforms step by step. Now, let's not kid ourselves. Everything demands hard work from you. So yes, it will show you the steps, but you have got to put the time, the energy, the focus, and also a little of yourself into it so you can make these things successful. First off, here's a small little tip right now that I will share with you as far as like Twitter is concerned, okay? Straight from the book, Twitter is used as a conversation piece. You do not go on Twitter to tell people to watch your link. You do not go on Twitter to let someone's, you know, hey, like, look at this video, look at this silly video. No, Twitter is a conversation platform where if you see a conversation happening, you join the conversation. If there's a hashtag that is trending, you join the hashtag conversation. You let people know that you are around. You become almost like a voice within the community through the conversations. And through those steps, through those actions, not you posting links saying, hey, I have a new video. That is how you get traction through Twitter. Real simple. It goes really into depth on this book. And even better, there's plenty of stories, real life stories of how people, both like you and I, and even worse positions, were able to go from nothing to no job to broke to taking the steps from this and creating a $1 million empire through social media by creating their brand the proper way. So guys, if you are a content creator, I highly suggest picking up Crushing It by Gary V. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below so you can check it out. If you're not into reading, go ahead, check out the audiobook or whatever. Guys, it's not a really big read. You know, like, you'll be done with it in a weekend and probably even sooner, because once you open it, you just won't stop. The information, there's so many good nuggets that you will just start taking in right now immediately, and you'll start applying it to your content. And also it gives you a really good it also gives you a really good sense of what is the next big platform to come, so you can get on that early. Just like when Instagram first came out, you know, a lot of times you wish, man, I just need to jump on a platform right before it starts so I can get big on that. It will show you what to look for, how to look for it, and actually maximize your brand, your awareness, and everything else. Guys, really excited about this. I've read the book all the way through. I applied it to my channel. I immediately saw results. The book worked, the technique works, the system works. You just have to put the effort into it. All right, guys, that is it. Gary Vee, crushing it. This is actually the second book. He came out with a previous book just called Crush It. I'll leave both of the links to those books down below, but guys, that is it. Okay, guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you loved it, feel free to subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns in the comment section down below. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Get this, you will not regret it. See you later, guys. Bye.